Christina. The second rank goes to row number 4, K. Ruksha, with 931 marks, scoring 77.58 PC. Third rank goes to row number 15, C.H. Jennifer Roy, with 785 marks, with 65.41 percentage. Fourth rank goes to row number 12, Treaty Mariam Tim, with 733 marks with 61.08 percentage. Fifth rank goes to row number 1, S. Boris Mete, with 725 marks, along with 60.41 percentage. This is the result for 11 arts, and the rest you can have from the notice board.
Facilities haibda mayamna hunda kya tamanasiko tan kun matoi begina tan kun mari, that is from that 21 to that 24. Sige matunda, if you get admitted angan si admission to kotan hindi 25% discount will be given to your admission fee. Nandi admission fee da discount ito kani aduna sida hai mayam si 25% discount. 25%